In the last video, we learned that generative AI is like a digital creator. But did you know there isn't just one type of AI artist? There is a whole family of them, each with its own unique creative talent. Today, we are meeting the 4 main members of generative AI family. Let's get started. First up, we have Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs. Imagine you have 2 AIs. One is a creator, and the other is a critic. The creator's job is to paint a picture of a person. The critic's job is to tell if that picture is a real photo or a fake painting. At first, the creator is bad, and the critic easily spots the fakes. But with every round, the creator learns from its mistakes and the critic gets better at spotting them. They compete against each other, getting better and better until the creator becomes so good that the critic can't tell the difference anymore. This is why GANs are fantastic for creating ultra-realistic images like faces of people who don't even exist. Next, we have Variational Autoencoders, or VAEs. These models are experts at learning the essence of underlying style of something. Think of an artist who studies thousands of paintings from the Impressionist era. They learn the style so well that they can create a brand new painting that feels like it belongs in that era. VAEs do the same with data. They're great for tasks like learning a style of music and then composing new melodies that fit right in. But the one you've definitely heard of, large language models or LLMs. These are the engines behind tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. They are trained on a truly massive library of text and books from the internet. By analyzing all this data, they learn the patterns, grammar, and flow of human language. This is why they are so incredibly versatile for any task involving words. They can answer questions, summarize documents, write stories, and even help you code the master wordsmiths of the AI world. Finally, we have the new stars of AI art, diffusion models. These are the power behind incredible image generators like Midjourney or DALL. The way they work is magical. Imagine starting with a screen full of random static, just pure noise. Guided by a text prompt, the model slowly refines that static, step by step, removing the noise and sharpening the details until a clear, beautiful image emerges. It's like a sculptor starting with a block of marble and slowly chipping away everything that isn't the statue. It's an amazing process to watch. So, we have the GANs, the perfectionist artist, VAEs, the stylist, LLMs, the master writers, and diffusion models, the sculptors. Each has a unique talent, but they all share the incredible ability to create. We've seen how powerful and creative these tools can be, but what happens when they go wrong? In the final part of our series, we'll uncover the 5 biggest dangers of generative AI. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.